Hi, I'm Katherine. I'm really pleased to have been asked to talk with you today and tell you a little bit about myself and my place where I live and the reason that I like Thrive. And so I'm happy to be here. I grew up as a small child on a rural farm and in a tiny community. All these years later, my family are all grown up and I have life by myself in this wonderful seniors residence, and I've moved from a lodge into an apartment, which is wonderful for me, where I can do my own cooking again, which is great, but it's a small place. Despite the fact that it's small, I have decided that I am not going to live without food storage. It's very important to me, always has been, and I have Thrive in boxes and on shelves. But the truth is that I haven't used them adequately. And so I've decided that it's going to change and I'm going to actually make them a part of my regular living. And so it's been really fun to have been invited by Cindy to watch their programs and to watch how she puts meals together, and it's fun to watch some of you other women talk about your experiences and why you like what you do. It's exciting for me to be doing this now too. And Cindy treated me tonight with making an omelet for me out of my eggs that have been sitting on the counter. So I'm going to actually use them, and I'm really excited about that. I hope you catch the excitement too. But I have to tell you that one of the things that really makes me want to do that is that the nutritional value of Thrive products is so great. It is superior to what you can buy in the store. And as I listen to the statistics about that, I was amazed to maintain the quality that will give us the best health, and I'm thrilled about that.